Love's Ripening by Rumi. Oh my God, our intoxicated eyes have blurred our vision. You are hidden, and yet from east to west, you have filled the world with your radiance. Your light is more magnificent than sunrise or sunset, and you are the inmost ground of consciousness, revealing the secrets we hold. You, whose essence is hidden while your gifts are manifest. You are the spirit of life, and we are like hand and foot. Spirit causes the hand to close and open. You are intelligence, we are your voice. You are joy, and we are laughter, for we are the result of the blessing of your joy. All our movement is really a continual profession of faith, bearing witness to your eternal power. This servant cannot stop trying to express your beauty in every moment. Let my soul be your carpet.